Hello and welcome. Summer's here, and today I've got you a delicious orzo pasta salad that you can quickly whip up at home and enjoy all summer long. To make this recipe, you'll start with boiling the pasta. So measure out 1.5 cups of orzo pasta and boil it according to the instructions on the packaging. When it's done, you're going to drain your pasta and immediately add it to the dressing. So let's prepare the dressing as the pasta boils. You will need olive oil, and I have all the ingredients listed in the description box, so just get the list from there. But yeah, olive oil and then the juice of one lemon. Add that in, and also you'll need the zest of one lemon. So before you cut your lemon, you could grate the zest and then squeeze the juice. Next, you'll need Dijon mustard, just 1 tablespoon of that. It's gonna add a nice taste to the dressing. And then for a little bit of sweetness, you'll add honey. You could also use maple syrup in place of honey. And then, of course, you'll need some salt and pepper to taste. I'm using half a teaspoon of both here, but you could adjust later. Whisk those together and your dressing is ready. Easy peasy. Of course, you could skip this and use the store-bought dressing, but it's really easy to make that dressing. Now, add in the pasta while it is hot. It's going to absorb that dressing and really taste good. I'm also using chickpeas. I boiled this at home, but you could use canned chickpeas. Go ahead and add them in as well. Allow them to soak up that dressing as you prepare your vegetables. So let them stay in the bowl like that. And now we will prepare the vegetables. I'm using cherry tomatoes. You could half them, you could quarter them, depending on the size you want. I'm also using some black olives, just cut them in half, whichever way you like. And of course, you could adjust these measurements based on what you like. You'll also need one English cucumber. Chop that into cubes. Try to keep everything same size, with all the vegetables. But it doesn't matter how large your chunks are. For the herbs, I'm using dill, but you could also use parsley or any other herb that you like, or a mix of herbs. Chop up your herbs very finely, and you'll be adding that at a later stage. Now let's add in the vegetables. We'll start with taking a look at this. It has soaked up the dressing nicely. It looks really awesome. And now we are going to add in the vegetables, starting with the cherry tomatoes, and then the cucumbers, and the black olives. You could add more vegetables if you want, really. There's no restriction here. Now sprinkling your herbs. I started with half of it, mixed everything, and later I thought, okay, let me add more. So you could absolutely adjust things at this stage. You could add other ingredients, even salt and pepper. So I sprinkled in the rest of my dill here. And at this stage, you could add anything that you think needs adding, and then mix it, and your salad is set. Now let me show you how I served it with some chicken. But yeah, it looks it looks good and it tastes good. So I did serve it with some chicken drums as well as chicken wings in 2 different occasions. And it's really an awesome dish. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you love this recipe.